Hello, everyone. Well, everybody who wants to write a resume, that is. So, welcome to this tutorial on how to write a resume. A resume is a document that summarizes your education, your work experience, and skills for potential employers. So, it's a very crucial tool for job seekers. Okay, and it really helps you to stand out from the competition and hopefully land that interview. So in this very quick tutorial, we will go over the essential elements of a resume and how to create a strong, effective document that showcases your qualifications. And if you want more detailed information, you can hit me up with a message and we could get together so that I can help you write an amazing um, resume. So, of course, we want to gather up all that information, okay? Gather up all that information. You want, of course, your personal information, your education, your work experience, your all of your different skills. Now, I love using Canva for presentations, for um, resumes, um, anything that you have to showcase. I love Canva for. I think this is super easy to use and they have so many, like thousands and thousands of templates that you can use and you can customize it, and it's just um, a wonderful, wonderful tool. So again, if you want to get together and I can help you um, change your all of the format and change it into your information. So if we take a look at the heading, of course, okay, because we want to look at the heading. And in the heading, we have the name, the address, the phone number, the email, okay? And you want to add something about yourself, okay? Your just something about you, and you want to make sure that your name is prominently displayed just like we have here, in a larger font than the other information. Okay, we want to go on to adding your education. Now there are different kinds of resumes. So there are the formats where it's chronological, functional, or a combination of the two. So let me just explain to you the differences. The chronological format lists your experience in reverse. So your most recent experience would be listed first, and then um, what happened before that and before that. Okay, so that would be the chronological. Then we have the functional kind of resume, which focuses on your skills and your experience rather than your work history. So this is best for those who have gaps in their work history, or are changing careers, or are beginning their careers. And then we have the combination of the two. And of course, as the name suggests, this format combines elements of the chronological and the functional. Okay, so it highlights your skills and your experience, but it also provides a detailed work history. Okay, so if you see here, this starts with the education, and goes, it starts chronologically. So we see here what happened. Okay, so we see here his education, and then we go down into the work experience. So in your education part, you want to list, of course, the institution, the degree that you earned, and the date of your graduation. And of course, if you have any other honors, you want to include those as well. So let's go into the work experience. You want to list your work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent position. You want to include the job title, the name of the company, and the dates of your employment. Okay. And also, you want to list the responsibilities that you had, um, what accomplishments you might have had during that time there. And you want to use action verbs to describe your experiences and say, you want to quantify what your accomplishments were. So, of course, we want to add other skills as well. So, soft skills. Um, you want to highlight what languages you speak, any technical skills that you have. And you want to make sure that all of these relate to or are tailored to the skills of the job that you are applying for. So you finish all of this, and again, with Canva, it's super easy to do. And you want to proofread it for any kind of grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes, typos that you might have. And you just want to make sure that everything is clear, it's easy to read, and looks professional. It's a good idea to get a friend or someone to look at it, review it, and see that everything looks fine, because sometimes we work on something so long that we just don't even see the mistakes. So the last step, you want to save that resume in a format that is compatible with most word processors and as a PDF, so that you are sure that the employer, when he opens the resume, or she, when they open the resume, that they see it as you see it. Okay. And of course, a nice, well written cover letter, which we will go over as well. Okay. That, highlights your qualifications and how you are super aligned for the job that you are applying for. So that's it. That's it. So you want to remember that your resume is in some way a living document. You want to keep it updated. Okay, you don't want to use the same document that the same resume that you used like 5 years ago, or even a year ago. Um, have it updated, because we're always gaining new experiences and new skills. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.